GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ante just got upped. If you want the very best action camera around, it's got to be GoPro's latest flagship. It's true that the brand's first action camera to feature a vlogging-style front-facing screen won't be for everyone, but the appearance here also of 5K resolution surely makes it the front-runner. Even if you're not after 5K video as such, a new sensor allows you to get 14.7 MP grabs from 5K video, as well as take 20 MP stills. It's also got a larger 2.27-inch display than the GoPro Hero 8 Black, super smooth hyper-smooth 3.0 video stabilization, time warp 3.0 for handheld time lapses, a travel case, and an upcoming Max Lens mod accessory that will bring GoPro Max style features like 360 horizon lock and an ultra-wide 155 max super view mode. GoPro Hero 8 Black, it's no longer GoPro's flagship, but if you've no need for 5K or a front-facing screen, the smaller, lighter GoPro from 2019 could be perfect for you. A key difference from its predecessors is that there are fold-out feet. That means that you have a camera mount built in. And then you can accessorize the Hero 8 Black even more with a new series of beautifully designed optional extras called mods. We like the display mod, which adds a second monitor that is perfect for vloggers, something built into the GoPro Hero 9 Black. These add-ons cost you more, but with the price cut, the Hero 8 Black is starting to look like a good value option given its excellent 4K video and excellent image stabilization system. GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is the action camera that first brought us Hyper Smooth, a video stabilization system that's so good that it awakens new creative possibilities. The Shake Buster even works up to 4K 60 FPS. Those using a gimbal on their GoPro can ditch it because Hyper Smooth gives even handheld video a silky smooth look. However, it also brings to life a new possibility. Handheld time-lapse video. Called Time Warp, the Hero 7 Black's 2GB memory allows it to apply Hyper Smooth to handheld frame-by-frame time-lapse shooting. As well as these stabilized hyperlapses, the Hero 7 Black offers great dynamic range, super photo, and 12 separate voice commands. However, it misses out on the new features and add-ons of the two more recent GoPros. G Osmo Action. G is best known for producing some of the best drones around and to a lesser degree for its handheld gimbal camera stabilizers, but has turned its attention to the action camera market with the arrival of the Osmo Action. It looks and feels like it has been made to be a direct competitor to the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and does a real good job of giving the GoPro a run for its money. We particularly like the addition of a full-color front LCD display, which makes it one of the best action cams for selfie sequences or vlogging. Insta360 ONE Twin Edition. Released at the start of 2020, the Insta360 Twin Edition is a very enticing proposition indeed, because it can be used both as an action camera and a 360 camera. Essentially it's called Twin Edition, because it's two cameras in one, coming with two lens modules that are easy to swap between. One turns it into a straight 4K action camera, the other gives it 360 shooting capability, and it's got loads of extra features too, including 5 of waterproofing, which can be extended with a special housing. AI-powered algorithms also augment the various shooting modes, and particularly impressive auto frame mode, which can automatically find and pick out the action in a 360 video. There is also 1-inch Leica camera mod. Gives you another option. You can swap out the 360 module for a high-quality action cam. The Insta360 ONE Twin Edition is a great buy if you want to take your action camera footage in all sorts of different directions. Sony RX0 Mark II. The Sony RX02 is expensive but comes with features that make it definitely worth considering. Being able to shoot short bursts of slow-mo video at up to 1000 FPS is one of them. You certainly can't do that with a GoPro. And while the RX0 was capable of producing 4K UD footage only to an external recorder, the RX0 Mark II can record 4K internally, and about time too. The 1-inch sensor produces beautiful images, whether shooting stills or video, expands the camera's low light efficacy and provides gorgeous dynamic range. It's an expensive proposition to be sure, but if you need gorgeous slow motion footage then there's nothing better and you're looking for ultimate image quality above all else, this is one of the best action cameras to get right now. The Sony RX02 also gets a flip action front-facing screen, which makes it much more effective as a premium quality vlogging and content creation tool. A Casa Brave 7 LE, if you need a front screen for vlogging, or to ensure you stay in shot as you film yourself skiing down a slope with a selfie stick, then this is a bargain buy. It has the same killer feature found on the GoPro Hero 9 and the G Osmo Action, but the second screen comes at a fraction of the cost. You get 4K shooting and 20 megapixel stills, plus a capable 6-axis image stabilization system. There is a good range of accessories in the box too, including a second battery, mounts and an underwater housing. Note, though, that unlike with many rivals you need to use this housing before you take your action cam into the water. SJCAM SJB Pro, taking more than a few cues from GoPro, the SJCAM SJB Pro provides plenty of the functionality of top-quality hero cameras but at a significantly friendlier price point. It's not only got 4K footage at 60p, but this footage also benefits from 6-axis image stabilization, which really comes in handy in action shooting situations. The standard GoPro-style mount allows the SJ8 to be mounted to anything you might want to mount it to, and there's also decent slow motion if you drop the resolution down to 1080p or 720p. The waterproof housing is a little clunky in use, with a lever lock system that can be tricky to operate, but this is arguably the best action cam at this price.